Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share a location on Google Maps. So let's get started. So let's say you visited a location recently and now you'd like to share the location with your contacts and friends so that they may visit that awesome location too. So this is how you can do it, guys. Simply locate the location here on Maps. You may, for instance, zoom into it. And what you want to do after that is right click on the given location and select share this location from that drop down menu. And after that, Google Maps will give you access to a menu like that here. So you may, for instance, use a shareable link such as this one here to invite your contacts and friends to visit that location as well. You can do that by clicking on copy link here and by sending the given link to your contacts via emails or social media posts or direct messaging services. Or alternatively, you may use messaging services and social media platforms such as these here below to directly share your location, for instance, through WhatsApp or X or through emails on Gmail. So you can do that as well by clicking on one of these icons below. Alternatively, guys, you may embed that location, for instance, on your own website or a blog by clicking on embed a map here and by using that shareable HTML here by clicking on copy HTML here to the right. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.